We were given a teak swim platform for our Carolina Classic 25 that needs to be restored. In this video, we will go over that process. Some of the items needed are as follows. An off-the-shelf teak cleaner or a 1-part white vinegar to 4-part water solution, and your preference in teak oil. We start by spraying the teak down with a water hose. Then we spray down the area we are cleaning with our teak cleaner. From there we can use a soft to medium bristled brush to scrub the teak. In our case, this platform has been neglected for years and will require quite a bit of scrubbing. Also, dividing the area up into thirds can help you see the progress being made. The use of a toothbrush can help in cleaning the tight areas. Just for transparency, we are using the vinegar and water as our cleaner of choice. Depending on the condition, you may have to scrub the teak twice. We then repeat this process on the underside of the swim platform. This side isn't nearly as weathered, but still requires a thorough scrubbing. Once the cleaning and rinsing is done, we need to let the teak dry completely. To finish prepping the surface, we can now sand the swim platform with 320 grit sandpaper on our orbital sander. We have 2 high spots from a ladder that need to be blended in by extra sanding in these spots. As for the rest of the surface, we want to keep the sander moving to not cause damage to the wood. We can now repeat this process for the underside of the swim deck. Once again, with medium pressure, we want to keep the sander moving. Not shown was the surface being blown off to remove the sanding dust. We can now apply the teak oil using a brush or lint-free rag. In our case, we chose a brush as this teak is extremely dry and will take more oil. You want to make sure you apply the oil with the wood grain, as this will be easier. We continue until we have fully coated the underside of the swim platform. In this case, we'll have to apply another coat once we do a coat on the top side. Continuing on to the top of the swim platform, we apply more teak oil using our brush. You will want to make sure to get the edges and in between all the planks as well. Once again, doing this in sections makes it easier to see our progress. In our case, this teak platform was so dry that it required a whole quart to complete in the end. After applying each coat, you want to make sure you don't miss any areas. By this point, we've applied 3 coats of oil. We decided that 1 more coat would be required to make this look good as new. After the oil has dried overnight, the teak platform will look like this.